This is the entrance. Let's go back up.
We're not going down this wall?
No, it'll go way too far.
Can we go this way a little bit?
Yeah, we can.
Little water. A little water.
Actually, okay. If you want, let's just keep going this way. That gets us to the Paseo de la Princesa.
Wonderful.
That you've been wanting to see.
Well, look how beautiful this is. Every day, Dan. Should be part of your routine.
No, I know.
Every day.
I just forgot this morning.
No, every day.
Does it hurt?
There's no forgetting.
Not yet. You want to go out on the pier?
Sure. This is the whole shebang. This is all of it.
Mm. And Leah, that's La Fortaleza right there.
Oh, this is the governor's one?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay. All right. So interesting.